Okay, so if you've watched my previous video on the cap gun from Wish, you realise the one I got was pretty much crap and broke the first time I used it. So I've ordered another one just in case the first one I got was just a bad one. Now I did order a red one, but it looks like this one's black as well. Maybe they're all black. But let's see. It looks like a gun. Now I should pull this back and lock the trigger. I can't do this without getting my finger in it. And then that should go on there. Take the lid off my TED. I've got that. It says I saw free. I thought I'd won something, but no, it says this beer is preservative free. So we will... Oh, look at that. What an absolute beauty. This thing is fantastic. Well, how about that? Well, I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll drink this TED and then I'll grab another one and I'll see if it's the same the next time. So we finished that beer and we'll just try the cap gun again. So here we go. Cap is encapsulated. Haha. And it shoots up just fine. I don't know whether the first one I got was just bad or not, but this one's a beauty. I really enjoyed this. Okay then, I'm going to have another beer and I'll see you later.